Hello! So finally I just received my package by Ana Luisa, and in this video I'm going to unboxing and reviewing them for you. And as you may not know, Ana Luisa is an American sustainable jewelry brand based in New York City, Brooklyn. And yeah, basically they reached out to me and kindly sent me some jewelries to reviewing them. And yeah, big thanks for Ana Luisa. I am very excited because personally I love wearing jewelries, and especially like minimalistic style jewelries. And yeah, Ana Luisa has a lot of like minimalistic style jewelries which is perfect for wearing them every day. And by the way, if you want more information, then make sure to check them out. They have a website and also Instagram. So yeah, everything in the description box down below. And if you want a 20% off discount for site-wide, then make sure that to click on my link. This is also in the description box down below, and also every information. So yeah. So Ana Luisa jewelries are handcrafted and sustainable and made from recycled sterling silvers, and they also use gold-plated brass and cruelty-free lab-grown diamonds. So yeah, this is the first time I own jewelries by Ana Luisa, and I am very excited. But of course, as always, I give you my honest review and my opinion about them. But before I start this video, then make sure that to like and subscribe if you are enjoyed that video, and thanks for watching. So here is the package. It came in this bubble wrap. So it came from US and from New York City. The shipping was extremely fast and I was so surprised. It took me like 4 days. By the way, I am from Europe. So now let's open the package. Whoa! So basically it came in this very simple cardboard box. So now let's see. Okay. Oh, it says thank you. Made from 100% recycled paper. Please continue the cycle. Yeah. So I got a card. It's a personal card for me. And yeah, it's basically came in this very nice little case. This looks like this. Of course, I will show you close up. I really like this type of style, and it's just really very minimalist. And it has these gold buttons. Basically, I got 3 necklaces because that's what I choose. So now let's see the first one. So basically I got this very cute moon necklace. So it's actually called Mei, and the price of this moon necklace is $60. So the materials of this necklace is 14 karat gold on brass and cubic zirconia and mother of pearl. Comes with a 365-day warranty. So the reason why I got this moon necklace, because moon is just such a personal sign for me. It just reminds me of my childhood, and yeah, that's why I choose this necklace. And yeah, it's a very nice, elegant, simple necklace. And the pearl inside the circle is actually looks really nice. It reminds me of a little bit like a mirror or something like this. And the case is also very beautiful. And these buttons are actually like magnetic. You can use these cases when you are traveling, and you can put your jewelries inside. It's very practical. So the next one is
this one. It came in this very nice material case. It's almost like a suede material. The other one was like a canvas material, but this one it's got a very nice like corduroy or something like this. I don't know, I'm not sure about the material, but it's very soft and it has this navy blue color. So now let's see this one. Okay, I just got this very unique necklace. Never seen anything like this before. And yeah, but it looks very nice. It's actually from the new collection and the color is same, so it's also got this gold color, which means it's coated with gold, but of course it's not a real gold necklace, it's just coated. So the name of this necklace is actually called Shea. So this contemporary box chain necklace is thoughtful and modern approach to a classic look. The sleek box chain necklace is finished in 14 karat gold, ideal to wear as a layering piece or as a stand-alone statement piece that will dress up your favorite outfit. This necklace can also be paired with the matching bracelet and ring from our collection. So this is a gorgeous box chain necklace, high polish finish and dipped in 4 karat gold, and ideal to wear alone or layer with other necklaces. And the price is around $76. So yeah, it looks really nice and I really like this cube design or box design. And yeah, it's got a little bit of body, but of course it's not heavy, and it also can be worn as like a everyday pieces, and it also has a matching bracelet. And yeah, so let's put this back to this case. It's very nice. So the last piece what I'm going to show you is also came in this canvas material case. It's a nice beigey canvas case with a white logo, and this is exactly the same case as the first one. So let's see what we got. Wow! Okay, so I got this necklace because I really like this type of design, and as you can see I am wearing the exact same design, but this one is more smaller. So I think this one is going to be my favorite necklace, especially for every day, because this type of necklace is just looks really nice with t-shirt, and I usually that's what I like to wear, like t-shirt. This piece is very simple, but it's very easy to style with clothing. So this is the Leo short necklace. It's called Leo and it's made in China, and of course all of them made in China, and the price of this necklace is 57 euro. So the Leo bolt short is with a classic design and a high polish finish, and this figaro chain necklace featuring a chain extender will sit beautifully just above your collarbone, and carefully handcrafted and coated with a thick 14 karat gold layer. This gold necklace pairs nicely with any other chain design. This gold dipped figaro chain is also available in a longer length. It's a gold necklace with a beautiful figaro design, dipped in 4 karat gold and high polish texture. Comes with the 365-day warranty. And it looks very shiny, as you can see.
And inside the box it says something good for the earth. We had a dream making jewelries that doesn't come at earth expense, and it happens thanks to you. Breathe easy, we are carbon neutral. So yeah, that's it for this video, and yeah, let me know what do you guys think about Ana Luisa jewelries. I think they looks very nice, but this is the only thing what I can say right now because I don't know how long they can last. But of course it depends how you taking care of them. Personally, I do not recommend to shower when you are wearing these jewelries or any jewelries, and also try to avoid spraying any fragrances on the jewelries because it's definitely not good for them. But of course later I will give you some updates about these jewelries, and yeah, if you have any other question then let me know. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have any question or anything to say, then leave a comment. And also don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. They have an Instagram. You can find this in the description box down below. And also don't forget to click on the link in the description to get a 20% off discount. And yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.